Explore the stunning Amalfi Coast on a magical boat adventure. This tour allows travelers to experience the breathtaking beauty and rich history of one of Italy's most iconic coastlines. This enchanting boat tour departs from Naples and takes you to the picturesque towns of Sorrento, Amalfi, and Positano. As you cruise along, enjoy breathtaking views of the coastline, including hidden coves and the majestic Mount Vesuvius. In unique Amalfi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, visit the impressive Cathedral of St. Andrew and soak in the town's romantic ambience. For a truly memorable experience, consider visiting Ravello, where Villa Ruffalo's gardens offer panoramic vistas that have inspired countless artists. Your day culminates in the charming Positano, known for its colourful cliffside buildings and vibrant streets. This excursion is a perfect way to cherish the natural beauty and rich cultural heritage of the Amalfi Coast. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Book your boat tour today and create lasting memories along one of the world's most beautiful coastlines.